Ito po ang bumara sa kanilang malaking ilog doon dahilan para magbaha yung buong syudad.
In the Philippines, invasive water hyacinth choke rivers and lakes, threatening ecosystem and communities. Deforestation from firewood demand harm health, worsen floods, and drives rural energy poverty.
But turning this wood into clean biochar fuel is a sustainable right for every Filipino home. With this biochar knowledge, we can break the cycle of invasive weeds and deforestation, giving every community clean energy for success future.
Let's all avoid cutting trees and start using water hyacinth charcoal. Clean energy from water hyacinth for all, because everyone deserves to cook, heat, and succeed sustainably. Let's not leave any river unplugged behind.
Ignite it right. Biochar fuel for Filipino life.